Today, we're excited to introduce you to the ultimate solution for small spaces, the adjustable table student computer desk, perfect for your home office, bedroom, or living room. This versatile desk features a spacious 31.5 by 15.7 inch tabletop and offers a flexible adjustable height ranging from 24 to 35 inches, ensuring comfort and convenience for any task. With two large storage shelves beneath the desktop, you can easily organize books, office supplies, and daily necessities, making it a functional addition to any room. Crafted from high-quality materials, its thick metal frame guarantees durability and a substantial load-bearing capacity, while the easy assembly process is guided by a detailed manual with numbered parts. The desk's 360-degree swivel wheels allow for effortless mobility, and the built-in casters with brakes ensure stability wherever you choose to place it. We stand by the quality of our products, and your satisfaction is our top priority, so feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this desk brings both style and functionality to your space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.